In last part, we will see how to find out the probability. Find the probability of the following when one coin is tossed. So, given one coin is tossed. Now we have seen the sample space for one coin. S is equal to H comma T. Therefore, N of S is equal to 2. First is getting head. Event A. Getting head. Therefore, what is A? H. Therefore, N of A is equal to 1. Now we have to find out the probability. So, what is the formula? P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S, that is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, event B, getting tail. So B is equal to T. Therefore, N of B is equal to 1. So what will be formula for P of B? N of B upon N of S, again 1 upon 2. So for finding out the probability, just we have to add one more step, that is P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Similarly, P of B will be N of B upon N of S. Now let's see the second sum. If one die is rolled, one die is rolled. Therefore, what is our S? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. Number 1, event A. Number on the upper face is prime. Number on the upper face is prime. Therefore, A is equal to, now from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. Therefore, N of A is equal to 3. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. 3 upon 6, we can reduce it, 1 upon 2. Number 2, event B. Number on the upper face is even. Therefore, what will be B? 2, 4, 6. Therefore, N of B is equal to 3. Therefore, P of B is equal to N of B upon N of S, that is equal to 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. Now, before seeing the next sum, we will see about the cards. Now, already in our childhood, we have played cards. Let's revise. Now, let's see about the cards. Total number of cards are 52. Out of that, 26 black, 26 red. Out of 26, 13 are of spade, 13 are of club. Out of 26 red, 13 are of diamond, 13 are of heart. Let's try to draw it. Spade, club, diamond and heart. Now there are 13 cards of each type, 13 of spade, 13 of club, 13 of diamond and 13 of heart. Now let's see about these 13 cards. Out of 13 cards, first one is ace. Then there are cards from numbering 2 to 10. 2 to 10. Then there is one jack, one queen, one king. These are also called as face cards or picture cards. Face cards or picture cards. So what we can say, total out of 52 there will be 4 jack, 4 queen, 4 king and 4 ace cards. Now a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. There are 52 playing cards. Now in this we can't write s, directly we can write n of s is equal to 52. Students here make a mistake, they write s is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 52, which is totally wrong. Just we have to mention there are 52 playing cards, therefore n of s is equal to 52. Now what is the first event? Number 1, event A, red card. Now we know out of 52 playing cards, how many are red cards? 26. There are 26 red cards. 13 of diamond plus 13 of heart. Therefore n of A is equal to 26. Therefore P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S, 26 upon 52, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Number 2, event B, a face card. Now we have seen out of 52 how many are face cards? 12. There are 12 face cards. 3 of heart, 3 of diamond, 3 of spade, 3 of club. Therefore n of B is equal to 12. Therefore P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S, 12 upon 52. Both the numbers are divisible by 4. 4 3s are 4, 13s are. So your answer is 3 upon 13. Now let's see one sum from problem set. In this case a 2-digit number is to be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore S is equal to. Now since in this sum repetition of digit is allowed, now a 2-digit number will not have 0 in its tens place. So we will start from 1. So 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. If they mention repetition of digit is not allowed, we can't take the number 11. Now let's start with 2. 2 0, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 0, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 4 0, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4. Therefore n of S is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. n of s is equal to 20. Now let's see the first event. Event A, prime number. Now we know what are prime numbers. Number which are divisible by itself and 1. 11, 13, 23, 31, 41, 43. Again let's check it. 10, no. 11, yes. 13, yes. 23, yes. 31, yes. 41, yes. 43, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, n of a is equal to 6. Therefore, p of a is equal to n of a upon n of s, that is equal to 6 upon 20. 2 3s are 2 10s are 3 upon 10. Number 2, event B, multiple of 4. Therefore, B is equal to, let's see the number divisible by 4. 12, yes. 20, yes. 24, yes. 40, yes. 44, yes. Therefore, n of B is equal to 5. Therefore, P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S, that is equal to 5 upon 20, that is equal to 1 upon 4. Let's see the last event, event C, multiple of 11. Multiple of 11. Therefore, C is equal to, let's see the number which are divisible by 11. 11, 22, 33, 44. Therefore, n of C is equal to 4. Therefore, P of C is equal to n of C upon n of S, 4 upon 20, 1 upon